Clearing your search history on Google Meet can help maintain your privacy and declutter your experience. Follow these steps to remove your search history effectively. Step 1. Open Google Meet. Launch the Google Meet application or visit the Google Meet website on your browser. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access Settings. In the Google Meet interface, locate the settings icon, which is usually represented by gear symbol. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy. Within the settings menu, find the section labeled Privacy or Data. This section contains options related to your search history and data management. Step 4. Clear Search History. Look for an option that says Clear Search History or similar. Click on this option to initiate the process of deleting your past search entries. Step 5. Confirm Deletion. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm that you want to clear your search history. Confirm your choice to complete the process. By following these steps, you can successfully clear your search history on Google Meet, ensuring a more private and streamlined experience.